Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy this Splintershards token using Trust Wallet and Pancakeswap. I'm going to be showing you guys step by step everything you have to do in order to buy this token. But before we get started here, I just want to remind everyone that I do have daily cryptocurrency content coming out on my channel, showing you guys things like how to buy, how to sell, and lots more. So if you're interested in this space, I'd really recommend subscribing, as I'll have lots of content coming out now and into the future. Anyhow, first things first here, we're just going to open up our Trust Wallet. And once we're in Trust Wallet here, I'm just going to remind you guys that I'm not going to show you how to create your Trust Wallet or how to buy or transfer BNB inside of this video here. If you need to learn how to do that, I'll have separate tutorials linked in the description, as well as in the comment section down below if that is needed. Otherwise, you guys just have to have BNB inside of your Trust Wallets here. Now, if you have your BNB inside of your normal BNB wallet right here, you have to click on swap here and swap it to your smart chain. If it's not in your smart chain wallet, it's not going to show up on Pancakeswap, so it's very important that you have it inside of your smart chain wallet. Otherwise, once you have it in your smart chain wallet, you're good to go. So now all we have to do is get the contract address for this token. Now I'll have a link in the description and comment section for CoinMarketCap. So just head over to that link for CoinMarketCap and then I'll show you guys what to do next. Once you're on CoinMarketCap here, we just want to go over to where we see contracts. All the way over to the right, you'll see these two little squares. Just go ahead and copy the contract address by clicking on those two little squares. Once we have that copied, we can then head back over to our Trust Wallet. Once we're back in Trust Wallet here, we can go to the top right corner of the screen where we see the 2 lines and 2 circles. Go ahead and click on that, and then up to the top search, and we can just paste this address in the top search. Once we do that, we'll see no assets found, add custom token. So we just click on add custom token. We're then going to have to change the network from Ethereum over to Smart Chain, and then we can paste in the contract address. Once we do that, we can go ahead up to the top right corner and click on save. Once we have the token inside of our Trust Wallet here, we could then head over to the exchange to actually swap the tokens. So I'll have a link over to Pancakeswap in the description as well as in the comment section down below. So you guys can just head over there and I'll show you what to do next. And once you're on Pancakeswap here, we're just going to have to go to the top right corner of our screen where we see the Connect Wallet button and click on that. Once we click on Connect Wallet, we're going to click on Wallet Connect. And then it's going to ask us to choose our preferred wallet. So in this case, we're going to be using Trust Wallet. So we can go ahead and click on Trust Wallet. We're then going to receive this connection screen inside of our Trust Wallet here, asking us to connect it to Pancakeswap. So we're going to go ahead and click on Connect, and then head back over to Pancakeswap. Now, once we're back on Pancakeswap, we'll know our wallet's connected when we see our wallet icon in the top right corner, as well as our balance of BNB right above BNB right here. So now all we have to do is click Select a Currency, and then we can go ahead and paste the contract address in right here. Once we have that, we'll see here, it'll say import. Now, I've already added it to my Pancakeswap, but for you guys, it'll say import. You're going to click on import, and then it's going to ask you to read something really quickly and click on I understand, and then click on import again. So once you guys see that, you can go ahead and do that, and then it'll add the token in for you. So I'll just go ahead and have that in here, and then I'll go ahead and add it in mine so it looks the same as yours. But for you guys will have an extra step here to be able to add the token in. Anyhow, all I have to do now once we have the token added in here is just go over to our settings gear here right beside exchange to change our slippage tolerance. So we're just going to go to this little segs gear here, and then I'll say swaps and liquidity. So we're going to have to set our slippage tolerance to probably around 12% for this token. You may have to try higher or lower depending on the liquidity at the time of this video. But for me, I usually use 12% for these tokens, and I usually have no issues. But once you have your slippage tolerance set, you can go ahead and exit out of here. And then all we have to do is now put the amount of BNB that we want to transfer into this token. So let's just say, for example, I want to do 1 BNB. I can just type in 1 BNB here, and then it will show me the amount of the token I'll get in exchange for that BNB. Now, if you guys are happy with whatever you see here, you guys can go ahead and click on swap where it says insufficient BNB balance for me. Once you click on swap, it's going to show you a broken down version of your transaction, showing you your fees and things like that. Now, if you're comfortable with that, again, you can go ahead and click on the swap one more time. You will then receive another page inside of your Trust Wallet asking you to confirm the transaction. So you can just go ahead and confirm it there one more time. And then, of course, it should give you a successful transaction notice. Once you receive that notice, you can then exit out of here, right back into your Trust Wallet, and the tokens will appear here usually within a couple minutes. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out, showing you guys how to buy the Splintershards token using Trust Wallet and Pancakeswap. If this video did help you out, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.